Hello friends, today we will talk about yellow star thistle toxicity. Actually, yellow star thistle is a plant which is also named by many other names. Name is Russian knapweed and another is Centaurea. It belongs to Centaurea species. This picture you are seeing here is of yellow star thistle. Actually, yellow star thistle is not native to North America, but it accidentally got introduced. So its name is Russian knapweed also. You will be very amazed to know, and it is also very important as a veterinarian to know that it is not toxic in ruminants. It is very good source of forage for herds of goats. It is not toxic in ruminants, but it is toxic in horse. Kindly look at this point. It is very much toxic in horse, but it is not toxic in ruminant. Now, next important point is in horses it causes nigropalidal encephalomalacia. Now, from your exam perspective, the main thing is that Russian knapweed or yellow star thistle poisoning in horses cause nigropalidal encephalomalacia. And now, what is nigropalidal encephalomalacia? It is liquefactive necrosis of globus pallidus or substantia nigra region of brain. Kindly look careful that two regions, one is globus pallidus and another is substantia nigra region of brain get affected, and it causes nigropalidal encephalomalacia and all the problems arise from here. Okay, so now it's clear that it causes nigropalidal encephalomalacia, that too only in horses. It is not toxic for ruminants and it has two another name. One is Russian knapweed and another one is Centaurea. It belongs to Centaurea species. Okay, next main point to remember is that its toxicity is also called as chewing disease. It manifests as a chewing disease in horses. It causes characteristic involuntary chewing movement, twitching and curling of lips and facial hypertonicity. So animal is unable to prehend and chew the food. Okay, so that you remember well, I would like to tell you that as we have seen previously that this plant affect globus pallidus and substantia nigra regions of brain. So that you remember well, I would like to tell you that as we have previously seen that this toxin from this plant affect globus pallidus and substantia nigra region of brain. These are the two structures which are involved in the regulation of voluntary movement. So when necrosis of this area happen, this leads to involuntary chewing movements and involuntary twitching and curling of lips and facial hypertonicity. Affected animal cannot prehend or chew, but it still can swallow. Actually, swallowing is controlled by some other part of brain other than globus pallidus and substantia nigra. Okay, so what is toxin in this plant which affect the brain? The toxin name is rapine or also known as sesquiterpene. So the most dreaded thing for any veterinarian comes here, that is the damage done by this toxin to the brain of horse is irreversible. So euthanasia is recommended because otherwise also animal will die of starvation and dehydration as the animal is unable to eat. Okay, so now let's revise again. First is that its another name is Russian knapweed and it belongs to Centaurea species. And another is it causes nigropalidal encephalomalacia, which is liquefactive necrosis of globus pallidus and substantia nigra region of the brain. Okay, and it is also known as chewing disease and it causes characteristic involuntary chewing movements and facial hypertonicity in horse. Next is there is no treatment for this disease. So, and the damage is irreversible. So, euthanasia is recommended. Thank you very much.